Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Realme 11. So in the first step, open the Play Store, tap on search bar and look for the fax app. Now choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Remember that you have your free credits banner. If you want to send your message for free, you have to restart the application to show it again after the setup. Now close this window and click the plus to choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something on my gallery. Oh, I don't have any photo from any documents, so maybe I will pick the photo. Okay, now we can add this shape to the document or the picture, and if ready, click on the arrow icon. Now choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. Click on the accept icon, type the number in this place, choose secondary from the list, and to send this message just click on this icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.